So let's understand what is DMAS rule or DMAS rule or however you want to pronounce it like. So it is nothing but simply just the uh, an acronym or abbreviation for these four operations that we learn in our mathematics, like right from the day one. So division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The point is that why DMAS? Why not, like, for example, MADS rule? Why not MADS? Why DMAS? The point here is that the order in which we do addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, and all the other operations, like solving a bracket or something like that, is to be done in a particular, way. They have a specific order to be solved, just so that we can avoid confusion. For example, I have a problem like 2 times 2 plus 5. So you could argue that, okay, I'm just going to multiply 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, and then add 5 to it, which is 9, so it should be 9. But a friend of yours could possibly argue that no, we could just first add 2 plus 5 together, which is equal to 7, and then multiply it with 2, which is equal to 14. So you could both be correct, but that is why the DMAS rule comes into this, scenario. The scientists and mathematicians have basically devised this rule to avoid confusions in solving problems like these. There is a specific method, a standard way to actually approach to problems like these. So division gets the priority, and then multiplication gets the second priority, and then addition, and then subtraction. So for example, if you're given a problem like this, you must always multiply first, right? Because in DMAS, M comes first, right? So it has to be this way: multiplication first and then addition. So you get 9, which is correct. According to DMAS rule or DMAS rule, 14 would be wrong because you just added first, you did addition first in prior to doing multiplication. So in that case, it would be wrong. So in order to avoid confusions like these, we have devised this DMAS rule, which actually uh, help us solve problems without confusion. It is also sometimes regarded as BDMAS rule. Oh, BDMAS. BDM BDM as well. So B stands for actually solving the bracket. So if in case there's a bracket, you must always solve it. You must always solve it first. For example, if this was like this, like 2 plus 5 is in bracket, so you must always, add these two terms together, which would be 7, and then multiply with 2, because solving the bracket is the priority now. So in that case, it would be 14, which would be the correct answer. So like, you just need to remember this acronym in order to solve problems like this.